Here I have MEIZU MX5 and let me show you how to scan for viruses on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me use the home screen. Here you have to find and select the security right here. Let's choose antivirus right here. The device is scanning and looking for any risk, any harmful files. As you can see right now is scanning the cloud, and here I've got the information that I don't have any risk on my device. My phone is secure, so I can tap done and I can use my device in a normal way. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.